All right, we're in Middle Basin in the northern Madison Range. Northeast facing slope, just over 9,000 feet. And the snowpack here is about 115 centimeters deep. And we did a few stability tests. We got an ECTP 30, and our PST was propagating with a cut length of about 29 centimeters over 100. So both tests were showing unstable results on this layer of facets right in here. It's not quite near the ground. Down here near the ground, the facets are just really dense, but there's just kind of this sweet spot. We're located about 40 centimeters off the ground, so that's where the facets on this slope were failing. So it's just another indicator that we're not out of the woods when we're talking about deep slabs. All right, now we're coming out of Middle, and we're dropping down into Beehive, and we're on a west-southwest facing slope. And as you can see, on these more sun-exposed slopes, we have this really hard crust that formed during the really warm weather. And so it's pretty much supportable when we're skiing on it. And that makes triggering any slides on these deeper layers really not too much of a concern. What we're really worried about is how the new snow, we got some new snow coming in tonight and tomorrow, and how that new snow is going to bond to this firm old snow surface. And the storm that just came in this morning, came in warm. The snow seemed to be fairly well bonded, but that's just something that we're going to want to keep an eye on if you're out skiing or riding, is how the new snow is bonding to this old snow surface.